This 2024 Renegade Vienna 25VRMC is a Class C RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Renegade is 25 feet 6 inches in length and features sleep 6, water heater, spare tire kit, carbon monoxide detector, air conditioning, smoke detector, external shower, leveling jacks, skylight, stovetop burner, auxiliary battery, and 34 gallons fresh water capacity. This 2024 Renegade Vienna 25VRMC is built on a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 3500 chassis and is powered by a Mercedes-Benz engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.